YouTube Shorts are a powerful way to go viral. While some short video categories are more common, others are less explored. In this video, I'll show you how to create billionaire lifestyle shorts using Canva. We're going to create billionaire lifestyle shorts like these. Before you start, it's a good idea to research different design styles to find what works best. I found one channel, not a big one, but it features billionaire lifestyle videos with a vibrant, colorful design. Likewise, take some time to explore and discover different styles that you like before creating your own. First, go to ChatGPT to generate short video scripts. Take a look at the prompt. I asked for 20 scripts for billionaire lifestyle shorts with voiceover text, and also specified that the clips should be easy to find as royalty-free footage. Here's the response ChatGPT provided. It even suggested some sites for free video clips, though you can also use Canva. Now let's take a look at the 20 scripts ChatGPT generated. Next, head over to Canva. Then search for YouTube Shorts or click here. This will take you to a blank editing page just like this one. In the Elements section, you can find videos, photos, and graphics to use for your project. Now let's head over to ChatGPT to check out the scripts we generated earlier. Next, I'll start creating a video for the first script. Copy the video descriptions one by one and search for them in Canva's Elements section. For example, I searched for luxury bedrooms. To refine your search, go to the Videos tab and click on the filter option to find vertical videos. From there, you can select any video you like. Alternatively, you can explore other websites suggested by ChatGPT to find royalty-free footage. I've selected this video for now. Right-click on it and set it as the background. Similarly, find the video for the next clip in description of the first scene, Breakfast with a View. I chose this video and also set it as the background. Click the plus icon to add a new page, then add the next clip by following the same steps. Now that I've picked all the clips for the first short video, it's time to edit them. Click on each video, go to Edit, and select Adjust. Use the adjustment sliders to create a slightly darker look by tweaking the highlights, shadows, contrast, and saturation like this. Feel free to experiment with these sliders to get the look you want. Repeat the same process for all the clips. Now let's add a voiceover to our video. For this, go to 11 Labs. Start by creating an account if you haven't one, then click on Get Started Free. With 11 Labs, you'll receive 10,000 monthly credits for free, which is more than enough for our videos. You can also change the voice model. For this type of video, I prefer the Bill voice. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy each voiceover script, and paste it into 11 Labs. Let me show you an example. Copy the first voiceover, paste it into 11 Labs, and click Generate.
Ever wondered how billionaires kickstart their day? It's not just about luxury, it's about discipline. A stunning sunrise, a healthy breakfast, and a workout that sets the tone for success. The secret? Consistency.
It sounds great, doesn't it? Click on the download icon to save it. Now return to Canva, go to the Upload section, and upload the downloaded voiceover like this. Now let's add the voiceover to the video. Place the cursor where you want to insert the audio, then click on Audio. It will be added to the timeline like this. Let's play it.
Ever wondered how billionaires kickstart their day? It's not just about luxury. It's about discipline.
I'll split the audio here. Just position the cursor where you want to split it and press S. Then adjust the voiceover as needed. Next, I shorten the first clip by dragging the left handle like this. For the next clip, I adjusted the playback speed to match the audio. I did the same for the third clip. Just click here and increase the playback speed. Now let's check the video.
Ever wondered how billionaires kickstart their day? It's not just about luxury. It's about discipline. A stunning sunrise, a healthy breakfast, and a workout that sets the tone for success. The secret? Consistency. What's your morning routine?
Transitions between clips aren't syncing well, so let's add a transition. Hover the cursor between two pages, click this to add a transition, and choose Match and Move or Flow. I prefer the Flow transition. Scroll down and click Apply between all pages to make it consistent across the video. Let's play it again.
It's not just about luxury. It's about discipline. A stunning sunrise, a healthy breakfast.
It looks much better now. I'll make a few more adjustments. Likewise, you can add the voice to video and adjust the clips as necessary. Now go to the text and select a vertical text style like this. Customize it to achieve our desired design. First, click on the text and delete it, then ungroup the elements. Next, change the font. Let's use this font. See how it looks? Now edit the text, replace it with Billionaire, and adjust its position like this. While the text is selected, go to Effects, choose the Lift effect, and set the intensity to maximum. Next, edit the second word and replace it with Life. Adjust its position as well. Now select the Billionaire text, go to Animate, and choose the Roll Animation. Change the writing style to line. Repeat the same steps for the Life text, but keep its writing style as character. Let's add a vertical line to make the design look more polished. Go to the Elements section, search for Line, and pick this one. Rotate it 90 degrees from here to make it vertical. Next, scale and adjust the line's position like this. Click on the line, go to Line Style, and increase the line weight to make it more visible. Now let's animate the line. I chose the fade animation for it. Hold down the Shift key and select both text elements along with the line, then group them. Once grouped, they will display as a single item on the timeline like this. If the text doesn't appear on the timeline, right-click on it and select Display on Timeline to make it visible. Finally, adjust the timing to keep the grouped elements visible for the first 5 or 6 seconds of the video. Let's play the video. Looks awesome, doesn't it?
Ever wondered how billionaires kickstart their day?
Now go to Share and click on Download to save the video. Once it's downloaded, upload it back to Canva like this. Now let's going to add this text box. While the upload is in progress, let's prepare the canvas. Start by deleting these pages you don't need. Once the upload is complete, add the uploaded video to the canvas and set it as the background. Next, go to Elements, search for Shapes, and select the rounded square shape. Add it to the canvas, Adjust its size and position like this, and change its color to black. Finally, reduce its transparency from here to achieve the desired effect. Next, go to the text section and add a heading. Copy the title from ChatGPT and paste it into the text box like this. Change the font to something stylish like this one. Adjust the placement of the text in the rectangle to align them neatly. Select the text, click on this, and adjust the line spacing as necessary to make it look balanced. Now go to Elements, search for Bell, and select one you like. Change its color to white and position it appropriately on the canvas. Hold the Shift key and select both the rectangle and the text, then group them together. Once grouped, go to Animate and apply the Rise animation to the group. Adjust the animation speed to your preference. Next, click on the bell icon, go to Position, and move the bell to the top of the layer stack. Animate the bell by scrolling down and selecting the pulse effect. Group the bell icon with the rectangle and text to keep everything organized. Align and place the group like this. Next, right-click on it and select Show Element Timing. Adjust the timing so it appears after 8 seconds, like this. Let's play the video.
Kickstart their day? It's not just about luxury. It's about discipline. A stunning sunrise, a healthy breakfast, and a workout that sets the tone for success. The secret? Consistency. What's your morning routine?
Looks awesome, doesn't it? Finally, go to Share and click Download to save your video. Now let's add subtitles to the video. Start by opening a blank editing page. Go to Uploads and upload the downloaded video like this. Once uploaded, add it to the canvas and set it as the background. Next, go to Text and click on Captions. Ensure the video is already selected. If not, select it, then click Generate. The captions will be generated automatically. Take a look at the captions.
Ever wondered how billionaires kickstart their day? It's not just about luxury. It's about discipline. A stunning sunrise, a healthy breakfast, and a workout.
You can edit their color, font, position, and effects all at once. However, you might notice that the captions aren't appearing dynamically or the sentences aren't separated well. We need to fix that. First, delete all the captions. Click on one caption. Go to the captions. Here you can manually edit each one as needed. Okay, let's delete all the captions from here. All right, now I'm going to split the video where each sentence or phrase stops. This has to be done manually by listening to the voiceover and splitting the video accordingly. Watch how I do it. Play the video.
Ever wondered how billionaires...
Pause it at the point where a phrase ends and press S to split the video. Then press space to resume playing.
Kickstart their day?
When you find the next stopping point, press space to pause again and S to split. Continue this process for each stopping phase.
It's not just about luxury. It's about discipline. A stunning sunrise.
Once the video is split, go back to the text section, click on Captions and generate them again. Next, click on a caption, go to the Captions section, and manually remove any repeated words and edit as needed to match the voiceover for each segment. Also, adjust the position, scale, and effects of each caption individually to ensure they look polished and visually appealing. Likewise, go through each subtitle and remove any repeated words and edit them as necessary. Okay, I have edited all the captions. Take a look. After editing all the captions, you can change the font if necessary. Choose your desired font and click Change All to apply the font change to all captions simultaneously. Similarly, you can adjust the font color to match your video style. I also updated the effect for each caption individually. Make sure the effect complements the overall design and makes the text stand out clearly. Actually, I will change this effect. Once everything is finalized, go to Share and download the video. Take a final look to ensure everything is polished. I've adjusted the effects to improve text visibility and create a better viewing experience.
Ever wondered how billionaires kickstart their day? It's not just about luxury. It's about discipline. A stunning sunrise, a healthy breakfast, and a workout that sets the tone for success. The secret? Consistency. What's your morning routine? For billionaires, the sky isn't the limit. It's the starting point. Imagine traveling the world in style, with comfort and time being your biggest assets. Would you work hard enough to make it your reality?
Like the video, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and stay tuned with me.